The construction of Giga Berlin is progressing at a very fast pace. If the work continues at the same speed, the foundation of the building will be completed in August, and possibly as early as the fall of this year, the exterior of the building might be visible. At the moment, 2 tower cranes are already working on the site, and the third is in the assembly stage. After the completion of the assembly of the third tower crane, the speed of construction will increase even more. Rails are also being prepared for the fourth crane, which will be assembled at a later date. However, there are some safety issues that Tesla might have to address in the near future. German radio station RBB24 has announced that the Tesla Giga Berlin factory is going to probably need to have its own fire department. The news have come out after the State Interior Ministry informed the station on Wednesday that the ministry is seriously considering to mandate Tesla to build a planned fire brigade. This is largely due to the fact that battery fires are particularly difficult to extinguish. It's estimated that the Tesla plant fire department could employ 24 to 30 people, so that around 8 firefighters are always ready at the plant. The exact size of the factory fire department will depend on which fire protection devices are going to be installed in the factory. Meanwhile, Tesla is currently evaluating the possible design and construction of a new electric vehicle manufacturing plant in Travis County in Texas. The 2,100-acre land that Tesla is considering to purchase is 12 miles from Austin and will cost roughly $5.3 million. It's worth noting that this property is 10 times larger than Giga Shanghai and 6 times larger than Vermont. Tesla intends to use the site to build a new factory for manufacturing the CyberTruck. This CyberTruck factory is expected to be about the size of Austin's International Airport. If the project is approved by the state of Texas, the construction of the Tesla CyberTruck Gigafactory could begin in the third quarter of 2020. This new factory is critical for Tesla to be able to meet its late 2021 timeline to start the production of the Cybertruck. At the same time, the Model Y factory in Giga Shanghai is quickly coming to form. The massive facility, which looks very similar to the Model 3 factory constructed a year prior, is now getting its floors paved with concrete. The facility's roofing is also being refined, and some walls are now being put up. But another story is forming right now beside Tesla's Model Y factory in China. Drone footage of the Gigafactory Shanghai complex reveals that the Model Y facility is only one of several buildings that are being constructed rapidly. What is interesting is that Tesla has so far been very quiet about the nature of these upcoming structures. The growing popularity of pickups in China led some people to speculate that this mysterious expansion could lead to Cybertruck production in Giga Shanghai.